How to view your transaction history or activity on Revolut. So if you want to view your transaction history or activity on Revolut, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Revolut app, and this is the interface that you will be able to see, right? So you simply have to come to the transactions page. Now you can scroll a bit further below until you see the transactions icon, or you can tap on those transaction icon right there. Once done, you'll see all the transactions that you have made on a certain date. Now even after this, you would like to view a detailed transaction within a certain transaction with a certain person that you made, you can select that particular transaction, and once done you will see all the details regarding the transaction. So you can download the statement, you can select the money that you added to them, you can add a note, and you can also report an issue to that person or whatever else it is that you're trying to do. This way you'll be able to basically view your transaction history or activity on Revolut. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.